Hi, I'm Cameron Meredith with ADU West Coast. In today's video, we're going to talk about AB68 or Assembly Bill 68. This is the bill that was passed before 2020, which opened the door for ADUs. So I'm just going to go over some of the main topics of that. I'm not going to cover the whole bill in detail, but I will put it below in the link so you can all go through it. But we'll start off, and again, I'm just going to highlight some of the main things about that bill, which really opened up the doors for ADUs here in California. So the first page here, the first thing is there's amended review time from 120 days to 60 days to acquire approval. This is big. We're seeing cities really abide by this. I mean, they have to because it's in the state, it's in this part of the state law. So they are doing 60-day reviews as far as reviewing ADU plans. This bill also prohibits the minimum lot size requirements. Before, I believe it was, don't quote me, I believe it was 4,600 or something around there that you had to have that size lot in order to build an ADU. That no longer applies. This bill also prohibits the jurisdiction from making the maximum size of the ADU smaller than 800 square feet, and change the height requirements to allow a minimum of 16 feet and change a setback from 4 feet, to 4 feet from 5 feet. So that's huge. We're getting a whole extra foot on the setback. Some cities are actually more favorable than others. And as far as what the maximum square foot ADU can build is 1,200 square feet. That is now in the state law. That's the biggest ADU that you can build is 1,200. This bill would additionally prohibit the imposition of limits on lot coverage, floor area ratio, open space, and minimum lot size if they prohibit the construction of an accessory dwelling unit meeting those specifications. So again, cities cannot limit you based upon your lot coverage or your floor area, open space, minimum lot size, etc. They're opening the door for ADUs. The last one here, this bill would require ministerial approval of an application for a permit to create one or more ADU or junior ADU units on a lot with a proposed or existing single family or multifamily dwelling, subject to specified conditions and requirements. So pretty much what they're saying here is it's a lot easier for you to build an ADU and a junior ADU on your single family, which it also talks about some of the new multifamily laws as well, which isn't covered here, but I'll do that in another video. And then here's AB68 continued. It would additionally prohibit the imposition of limits on lot coverage, floor area ratio, open space. Sorry, we already went over that. That was a repeat there, my bad. And then the last one, require ministerial approval of an application for a permit to create one or more accessory dwellings. Oh, excuse me, I already went over that. So pretty much, again, I'm sorry that I covered this twice, but what these are saying, again, is just that it's making it a lot easier by, pretty much limiting those cities for telling you on what you can do as far as building an ADU. Because you got to remember, the whole reason this was enacted is to provide more housing throughout the state, which is what we need badly. So again, that's why these laws were passed. But let's go back and I can show you here is what the actual assembly bill looks like. Again, I'll put this in the link. That way you can go scroll through it and look through it. But those are just some of the highlights. If you have any questions, let us know. Again, I just wanted to make this a short, quick video, and stay tuned for the next one. Again, follow us down below, subscribe, and you can also find our social media pages. And then, stay tuned for the next ADU video. Thanks for watching.